Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to our channel Nihongo de Mirai. This is Pradeep Sharma, and in this video we are going to learn a new particle which is mo particle, and this particle is used to emphasize anything in any sentence. So now let's move to our next slide and we will come to know how to use this particle and what is the exact meaning of this particle. So hajime mashou. In our first video, we have learned the particle wa, which is a subject marker particle, and sentence will become like this: Watashi wa gakusei desu. We will write it ha, but we will pronounce it wa. We have already studied this particle in our first video. I will drop the link in description. So now we are going to learn about mo particle. It means also or to. So in order to use this in a sentence, we will have to replace the wa with mo. So our previous sentence structure was topic plus wa particle plus noun plus this. So if we want to use this particle, then our new sentence pattern will be topic plus wa will be replaced with mo plus noun plus this. So this will be our new sentence pattern, and the translation will be like this: Watashi mo gakusei desu. I am also a student. Previous translation was I am a student, and now we are saying I am also a student. So basically, if two persons are talking, A and B, if A is saying that he is a student and B wants to say that he is also student, then we will use the mo particle instead of wa. So basically, this is the exact meaning of this particle. And yes, we can use the mo particle just to replace wa in any sentence to mean also or to. For example, Kitamura-san wa sensei desu. Kitamura-san is a teacher. Ishii-san mo sensei desu. So you can see we have replaced ha with mo. So it will become Mr. Ishii is a teacher too, or we can say Mr. Ishii is also a teacher. And in our colloquial situation, you can just hear the mo particle. For instance, for example, you want to go with your friends, or teacher is asking for volunteer in festival. So you can just raise your hand and you can say Watashi mo, me too. And we have used this sentence many times. So now you can use Watashi mo instead of me too. Suppose your friends are going out and you want to say that you also come. So you can simply say Watashi mo. And yes, mo can also be used with other particles like ni particle, which is a direction particle, just to show two actions happened. Then in that case it will become ni mo. For example, Kyonen no natsu pari ni ikimashita. Kyonen no natsu is last summer, and pari is Paris, and ikimashita is past form of ikimas, which means to go. So it becomes went. Then the translation will be I went to Paris last summer. And now if I want to use Nemo, then the translation will be like this. I went to London too, and sentence would be Rondon ni mo ikimashita. So here you can see we have used ni and mo together, just to emphasize that that guy went to London also. So guys, that was the mo particle. Now let's move forward to some exercises just to understand it better. Our first exercise is, there are two sentences. First sentence is Takeru-san wa Nihonjin desu, which means Takeru is Japanese. And in our second sentence is Satoru-san wa Nihonjin desu. So here it is saying Takeru-san is Japanese, Satoru-san is Japanese. So if we will compare these sentences, then we will have to change the wa with mo in our B sentence, because first one is saying Takeru-san wa Nihonjin desu, which is Takeru-san is Japanese and Satoru-san is also Japanese. So our sentence will become like this: Satoru-san mo Nihonjin desu. Then is our next exercise, Joshu-san wa Kaishain desu. Kaishain is company employee. Company employee. So it is saying Satoko-san wa Kaishain desu. So you can see both the sentences are same, and if we will compare A and B, then again we will have to change wa with mo in B sentence, just to emphasize on B part, Satoko-san mo Kaishain desu, which will become Satoko is also an employee. So this is how we use mo particle. And our final exercise is same as last one, Suzuki-san wa Kenkyusha desu. Kenkyusha is researcher. Yamada-san dash Kenkyusha desu ka. Here the person is saying that Suzuki-san is a researcher and asking Yamada-san is researcher. So we have these four options. Ne, it is used for confirmation. No, it is used for possession. We have already studied this in our last video. I'll drop the link in description. Ni is a direction or time particle, so this is also incorrect. We have left mo, which means also or to. So basically the person is saying that Suzuki-san is a researcher and asking that is Yamada-san also a researcher. So the correct answer would be mo. I hope you guys have understood this mo particle. If you guys have any doubt, you can drop your queries in comment box. I will definitely reply and answer your questions. And please do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. As I have already mentioned that I am going to upload a new lesson every day. And don't forget this principle to study 30 to 45 minutes daily. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Arigatou gozaimashita. Otsukare sama deshita. Have a good day.